Seventh Child Publishing presents Quick Q&A, Ordinance Ready, which is in the Family History Tricks and Tips playlist. Quick Q&A series. Please click on the links below to access the Seventh Child Publishing website and the Salt Lake Millcreek Family History Center web pages on the Family Search Research Wiki for more resources. Hello, I'm Eileen Lentz, Temple and Family History Consultant and Trainer. The Quick Q&A series is meant to answer some questions consultants are asked that can be answered quickly. This video is about the question, what is Ordinance Ready and how do I use it? What is Ordinance Ready? It is an option for gathering ordinances you want to do quickly. You simply select what ordinances you want to do, and Family Search will search for what you are looking for and will prepare a list to print cards to complete only the ordinances you selected. You will receive ordinances from your own reservation list, from your tree, or from names already submitted and shared with the temple. How does Ordinance Ready work? After you log on to your Family Search account, click on the Temple tab and select Ordinances Ready. Select the ordinances you want to complete from the drop-down list. Depending on which ordinances you choose, Family Search will search for 1 to 5 ordinances, Initiatory 5 and Endowment 1. Family Search searches through your reserved list, your tree, and then those that have been shared with the temple, creates a list for you. Be patient because it may take a few minutes to generate the list. How does Ordinance Ready work on the mobile app? The mobile app works about the same, but shows different screens to accommodate the size of the screen. The screenshot shown here is on an iPhone. In the Family Tree app, click on the Temple option, the Temple icon at the bottom. Select the green Ordinance Ready button. Select the ordinances you want to complete from the pop-up window. Depending on which ordinances you choose, Family Search will search for 1 to 5 ordinances. For instance, Initiatory 5 and Endowment 1. Family Search searches through your reserved list, your tree, and then does those that have been shared with the temple and creates a list for you. Be patient because it may take a few minutes to generate the list. After the Ordinance Ready list is generated, it is shown on the screen. At the top, it shows where found. In this case, all 5 were from the reservations list. The list may also be generated from the user's tree or other ordinances shared with the temple. Name and ID is shown with a link that allows you to view relationship to you if there is one. The checkbox is selected by default, but can be unselected if you do not want that particular ordinance. The print status allows you to choose a print option for the ordinance cards. In this case, the cards have already been printed, but Family Search offers the option to reprint. When you are satisfied with the list, click on the blue Take to the Temple button at the bottom. Depending on how your computer or device is linked with the printer, there are 3 main ways to print out the temple ordinance cards. If the computer or device is connected to a printer, simply select the correct printer. If there is more than one page, make sure single-sided option is selected. If there is no printer connected, save as a PDF to your computer or USB drive. This file can be emailed to someone who has a printer, or you can use the USB drive to plug into a compatible printer. The last option discussed here is to email or text the 16-digit number shown at the bottom left of the page. On this slide, 4-5014-1793-1527-040 is the number that can be shown to the temple on a cell phone or even a handwritten note. Thank you for watching this video, Quick Q&A Ordinance Ready, which is in the Family History Tricks and Tips playlist, Quick Q&A series. Please feel free to ask any of the consultants a quick question about family history. Perhaps we will use it to create the next video in this series. Please support the Seventh Child Publishing YouTube channel by remembering to like, comment, and subscribe. Please share it with others on Facebook and your other social media accounts. It will help to spread this important message.